Today I'm preparing the site for Stucco. I'm applying this first. Okay, for bonding plaster and stucco to surface. This is my concrete board. Alright, I have way to go. And now I'm ready to mix. Alright, let's mix. Alright, my back is killing me. And I think this is a good consistency. Alright, I'm gonna do that, but before I do that, I'm gonna put my gloves, different ones, because I'm gonna do it by hand. Yep, by hand. Some of the tools. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to do this here. So I take the piece, then I just slap it in, and then just like that, slap it. Let's see. And so on. So thrown by hand, it doesn't really, it's not really fast. So I'm thinking about just maybe trying it with this. Yep, looks better. Well, something like that. So this is so far. Just this piece is done. Almost one bag of 60 pounds was used in here. So now I'm doing. I'm using the old jeans to create some more, something like texture. All right. So I'm trying 80-pound bag now. Hopefully it will be finished tonight. This is how I'm doing it. Well, I wet it first a little bit with water. This is all wet, so I'm just squishing it in. So you have to keep it kind of moist. It's like 100 degrees out right now. I'm in Florida. This is aluminum foil. Kind of helps me to create the look of whatever it looks like. Hopefully like rock, stone, whatever. I'm using this spatula to create a contour, like a so probably yeah. This is gonna use the finger. Gotta let it dry a little bit, but I like just to play with it. This one is already almost dry, so it's like when it's dry, to make a little bit deeper. I did it really, really thin layer. Well, just for looks, so didn't really care. I just use whatever's left over, just smush it over like this. Like there's little rocks in there, whatever. Actually, working with your finger will be okay too. This kind of doesn't look natural, so kind of gotta create natural look. See how the rock actually sits on top of each other. Use some of this stuff. So this is sand, kind of making it a little bit dirty. It's a rock. It's supposed to be a rock. Don't like how this one looks, but whatever. So then let's put it there. And just keep on like that. Okay, it's getting dark. This is what I had time to finish. A little bit. A little bit left. Alright, that's for tomorrow. And this is today, this morning. That's what it looks like, I guess, when it's dry. A little bit not dry. Not all. A little bit wet. Still a little bit left, but I still have to do all this. Oh, that's another day. So just painted it. That's what it looks like. Painted.